What up guys, this is Remy Alva, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the HyperX headset for the PlayStation. So we're going to be unboxing the HyperX for the PlayStation. I'm going to be getting a pocket knife here. So we're going to be basically sliding right here. Make sure you cut the little tape. Just a little tape. And after that, oh guys, so cutting, there's no point of cutting the sticker because you have to literally peel this whole plastic off. Let's get this open here, man. Slide it out. And let's see if we got anything inside the box. Yes, we do. So you just throw the box to the side. It's just some instructions of what to set up and manuals and stuff like that. So let's see, some more plastic. So, oh, I got a microphone right here. And what's this? Okay, it's plastic. There's a little attachment. So let's attach it to the headset. See where it attaches to. Oh, so this got a nice braided cable. Really nice braided cable, as you can see. Alright. Okay, let's see, taking off the braided plastic here. Taking off the braided plastic here. As you can see, it's a very long cable, guys. If you want to see, right here is to mute the mic, and this is the toggle to raise the volume. Alright, so we're gonna touch the mic. See, where did I hit? Oh, okay. I guess it has a rubber piece right here. These, oh, make sure you do not lose this rubber piece. So basically, do that. Basically, it can be like regular headphones, I guess. So the mic, you know, there's a thing to filter. Let's see the quality. Wow, very good quality. Mirror. The earmuffs are made out of leather. It has very padding here. The cables are braided. Very good. It's PlayStation logo, but you can get these in different things. It's made out of aluminum. Looks like super nice, guys. HX, and it's standing for HyperX. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how it looks on a person's head. So, I'm gonna show you how the headset goes. If you like it, how it looks, if you like it, they're really cool, nice and cooling on the ears, very comfortable, dude. This right here, very comfortable. Doesn't hurt the head, Very comfortable cushions. So far so good, man. Doesn't hurt your head. Very comfortable. And if you don't want the mic, you know, you can literally take it off like that, and you can use them as regular pair of headphones. So guys, do not mind the little plastic thing that was sticking on my headphones. It's because I was wearing an AirPod, but it's gonna look really nice, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this headset, man. This is Remy Alba out.